Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to the Medical Minute, where we uncover simple, powerful ways to live your best life. Today, we're diving into a kitchen staple with incredible health benefits: garlic. That's right, this little bulb is more than just a flavor booster. It's a health superhero. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll want to add garlic to your daily routine. Garlic has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and modern science confirms its amazing health benefits. So, let's break it down. First up, garlic is fantastic for your immune system. It contains a compound called allicin, which has powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties. Studies show it can help reduce the severity and duration of colds and flu. Next, garlic supports heart health. It helps lower blood pressure, reduces bad cholesterol, and improves blood circulation. This is all thanks to its ability to relax blood vessels and prevent plaque buildup. Did you know garlic helps detoxify your body? It boosts liver function and flushes out toxins. Plus, it's loaded with antioxidants, which protect your cells from damage. Garlic also supports brain health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Some studies even suggest it may help protect against Alzheimer's and dementia. Talk about brain food. So there you have it. Garlic isn't just a tasty addition to your meals. It's a health powerhouse. Try adding a clove or two to your daily diet. Whether it's raw, roasted, or in supplements, your body will thank you.
Hello, I'm Ken, your host from the Medical Minute. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who loves garlic as much as I do. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on my latest health tips. I'd also love to hear from you in the comments section. Do you have a favorite garlic recipe or a story to tell about how it's helped your health? Let us know. And if you would like to support this channel, join me on Patreon. Your contributions help me to create more content like this. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching the Medical Minute. See you next time. And remember, your health is your wealth.